Hey folks, it's Russ Fi. Today is Tuesday, October 22nd, 2024. I hope you're having a great day. I wanted to shoot this quick video while I ride over to the soap shop this morning. I'm going to meet Tina over there. She had a couple things to do, and so I thought it'd be a good time to make another video. But we're going to go to the soap shop today. We're going to make some soap, pack up some orders that we got over the weekend, and then I'm going to head to the post office and mail out another bundle of postcards for ABM. All right, now this is quickly becoming my #1 business opportunity. People are loving it, and it's so easy to do. If you can take a postcard and put a peel and stick label on it, address label on it, and a stamp, and take it down to your post office, you can make this work, all right? One big thing that people like, particularly those who aren't into marketing online, is that you can do this anonymously, and you can do it offline, all right? You can just simply mail the postcards out if you want to do that. You don't have to do YouTube videos. You don't have to do Facebook marketing. You don't have to do any of that stuff if you're not into it. You can simply mail out the postcards. We have flyers. We have drop cards. There's 1,000 different ways to share this opportunity with people offline, and people like that, all right? And what you do is you get a number when you join. So you can do this anonymously, and people will never even know who you are, all right, if you choose to do that. I like to make videos, so that's why I do YouTube videos and lives and stuff like that. But if you don't want to do that, if you're not comfortable doing that, whatever it may be, you don't have to do that. You can simply get these postcards, use the flyers, use the drop cards, and just mail them out. And that's I'm getting good conversions with these postcards. These are high converting postcards right here. The owner, Paul, has been doing this since 2003. So he knows what he's doing, all right? They're high converting postcards. You ship them out, and you have to understand that if you're just starting out, you're not going to get rich with this overnight, all right? Direct mail marketing takes some time. But the more you stay consistent with it, the more you ship out the postcards or do whatever type of marketing you're doing, the more results you're going to get, all right? So, I'll mail out 100 postcards today, and, I'll probably get a few signups from this, okay? But there's no guarantee. You might mail out 200 postcards and not get any signups. But I've been typically getting a few signups each time I send out a batch of postcards. And if you watch my YouTube videos or follow me on Facebook, you'll see that the checks keep rolling in for me, okay? You get monthly residual checks, but then you also get paid weekly from the previous week for all of your new signups that you get. So it's upfront pay with monthly residual pay, and it can be very lucrative. You can start for $50, and then there's different levels that you can go up where you can earn even more money for each direct referral, and then more monthly residual income. So it's a great opportunity. I like it. Like I said, it's quickly becoming my #1 opportunity because people like the simplicity of it. It doesn't take a lot of time. You can do this, sometimes Tina and I will take, a couple hundred postcards, and she'll put the stamps on them, and I'll put the address labels on them, and we'll knock it out in a half hour, and so it doesn't take a lot of time, and it's just really easy to do. Now, you will get more information when you join me on postage, where you can get stamps. We have all kinds of different things that we'll send you when you join, and you'll get a welcome kit from the owner, Paul, that has information in there where you can save on your first order of postcards. There is a little bit of upfront cost to this, but that's like any business. You're gonna have to, if you decide to go with the postcards, you're gonna have to pay for postcards, but you do get a discount on your first order, and then depending on what level you choose, that determines the cost of the postcards. We do have places where you get postage, discounted postage. It's legit postage. At first, when I first started this back, I believe I started this in April, I was like, wow, are these postage stamps, normal? Are they the real deal? I took them down to my postmaster, who I know, and he was like, absolutely, they're 100% real. I've been using them ever since. I have had no issues The person that I get them from has been doing direct mail marketing for decades, and he has contacts and connections, and he buys, you know, businesses that have gone out of business, and he has various ways of getting these postage stamps, and then he sells them at a discount to us. So the whole operation is smooth. It's legit. You can call Paul and talk to him on the phone. He's a really good guy. If you write him an email, he answers you back right away. Unlike other companies where you send in support tickets and, you know, days go by, weeks go by. Sometimes you never hear from them. So this is quickly becoming my #1 online opportunity, and I'm going to be adding another direct mail opportunity here in the very near future that's going to complement this one very well. All right, so if you have any questions, reach out to me. I'm here to help you out, and you can visit, you can see right here, myincomeDoubled.com. all right, and you can enter 6126, or there's a link down below that goes directly to my page. It's myincomeDoubled.com/6126, and yeah, it's super easy to do. So with that being said, I hope you have a great rest of your day. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. So until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.